Good morning. Today I thought I would come on and show you how I have been putting together my page kits for Project Life. So I tend to start with things that I already have on my desk. And right now on my desk I have 4x6 and 3x4 cards. These are just 12x12 cardstock that I cut up. I have some of my DIY 4x6 cards, some 3x4 DIY and cut apart cards, and some stickers. So that's where I'm starting. I grabbed this one because it has a lot of purple in it, and purple is something that I don't tend to use a lot of, but I like these stickers, so I want to make sure they don't just get shuffled aside. And so I thought I would throw together a page kit. Now, my page kits tend to focus on embellishments and paper. I like to pull in alphas and stuff as I go, mostly because I just keep my alphas on my desk. There's just a little tray of them here for tiny words, and there's a larger assortment over off camera where you can't see, and there's another assortment behind me in my Kallax unit. So I like to keep them all together, otherwise I tend to lose them. So I will show you how I do this. I just grabbed a random bag and my stickers, and as I was looking at the stickers, I pulled out some of the colors that seem to be dominant, and one of them is purple, the other is teal, pink, and yellow. So I grabbed a couple of my DIY cards that have similar colors, and then these are just cards from this little bin right here that I already cut apart. This is dollar store paper. And then this one. So the color that I know, or a couple of the colors that I know I'm missing, are this really dark yellow and this limey green. And as I go through, I can also pull things like this. I don't think pairs and pairs, but it's a different green. Maybe. That's the wonderful thing about doing a kit like this. If you realize you're missing something, you can always come back and look for it later. Like, this does not have to be overly complicated. So there, that essentially could be my kit. Oh, I didn't grab any pink. That's a little too peachy pink. Okay, that's my kit. So now I can take these 4x6 papers and cut them in half if I need to create 3x4s. And I have to put them in rainbow order because of course I do. There. So that is a kit. I could go through and grabbed some embellishments. Oh, that's not going to work. That's not going to fit. But I like to do that as I'm going. You really don't need to overcomplicate this. So the reason I even started this in the first place is because these stickers have been in my stash for a little over a year. And as you can see, I haven't touched them. Dollar store stickers again. I grabbed them because I do a lot of gardening and I really like them. But they've been sitting there. So I went and did what you just watched me do and grabbed some paper. In this particular case, I had some DIY 3x4 cards ready to go, but that's essentially a kit. And then you can kind of supplement as you go if you need to. But as I said, I tend to project life with stickers, chipboard, paper. If I need anything else, I'll kind of grab it. And then I had this one, same idea. I bought this one because I love coffee. Dollar store again. And same idea. Sometimes this is a good jumping off point if you're struggling with a color scheme for something. This is a pretty, I don't know if I meant to have two of those. This is a pretty easy color scheme to deal with. Pinks, grays, black. Again, some DIY cards. This was a bit of packaging I thought looked really nice. So there you go. Don't complicate life. Oh, that one was a printable that was something I printed off with my Canon selfie that it actually ended up printing off center, so I didn't use it. But there, I have 3 kits that I grabbed from my stash. And I'm sure there will be more. All right, thanks for coming to hang out with me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next video. Bye for now.